Hello children, welcome back to Kumar's Math Lab, where every problem has a solution. This is Chapter 6, Part 1 of Class 2. In this chapter, we'll learn compare numbers up to 200. So, let's get started. Look at the number 82 in the number track. Here, select all numbers less than number 82. Okay, so this is the number track in which we need to select all numbers less than number 82, right? So, let's first find out where is number 82. Okay, let's start from here. This is 78, 79, 80, 81 and 82. So, this is number 82 here, right? Now, we need to select all the numbers less than number 82, right? So, let's see. Is 78 less than 82? Yes, it is less than 82, right? 79 is less than 82, 80 is less than 82 and 81 is also less than 82. Now see, here it is 82. Is 83 less than 82? No, it is not less than 82. Is 84 is less than 82? No. 85? No. 86? No. 87? No. So, these numbers are less than number 82, right? Now, look for the number 93 in the number track. Okay, let's see where is number 93. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. This is number 93. Here, select all numbers greater than 93. Okay, let's see. Is 87 greater than 93? No. 88 is also not greater than 93. 89? No. 90? No. 91? No. 92? No. 94? Yes, it is greater than 93. 95? Yes. 96? Of course, yes, it is greater than 93. Right? Okay, let's move to the next question. Here in question number 3, we can see 78, 79, 80 and 81 are less than number 82. Okay. These are numbers less than 82, right? 94, 95 and 96 are greater than number 93. So, these are the numbers greater than number 93, right? Complete the sentences. We get numbers less than the given number when we count C. We are getting these numbers less than number 82 when we are counting which side? Backward from number 82, right? So, the answer here is when we count backward. Okay, let's check the correct answer. Yes, backward. We get numbers less than given number when we count backward. Okay, now we get numbers greater than the given number when we count. See, which side we are counting here? Forward, right? So the correct answer is forward. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Kirat and Raju are reading the same storybook. Okay, these are cute little boys. This is Kirat and this is Raju. Okay, these are friends. Now, Kirat is saying, I have read 79 pages. What about you? Raju is saying, I have read 83 pages. Right? Complete the sentences now. Kirat has read how many pages? We saw it here. 79. Right. So the correct answer is 79 pages. Okay. Raju has read how many pages? This 83 pages. Right. So the correct answer here is number 83. Right. And we know 79 is less than or greater than or equal to 83? Tell me. 79 is less than 83. Very good. Correct. This is the correct answer. Very nice. 79 is less than 83, right? We can write this as 79 is less than 83. This is the symbol used to show less than. Okay. So what we'll write here? We will write this symbol here. Okay. Let's check the correct answer. 79 is less than 83. Correct. 79 is less than 83. This is the symbol for less than. Who has read fewer pages? Kirat has read 79 pages and Raju has read 83 pages. So obviously, Kirat has read fewer number of pages. Right. A sweet shop had 2 jars of candies. Okay. Yummy, tasty candies. I love them. I want them all. This is silver jar and this is golden jar. See? So yummy, colorful candies are here. Here also green, blue and yellow. Okay. I'll get them after this class. Okay. Now, but don't eat a lot of candies. It will damage your teeth. Right. Now, let us come back to the question. Let us compare the number of candies in each jar. Okay. Place the correct comparison sign. What are comparison signs? This is less than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. Okay. So, 98 is less than, greater than or equal to 94. This silver jar has 98 candies and this golden jar has 94 candies. Okay. So obviously 98 is greater than 94. Right. So let's check the correct answer. Yes. This is greater than 94. Very good. Let's move further. 98 is greater than 94. So, which jar has greater number of candies? Okay, this is simple. Of course, the silver jar has greater number of candies. So, the correct answer is this silver jar. Right, my kids? Very good. Understanding everything? If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I'll definitely reply. Okay? Let's move further. Maya and Nisha are playing a game on a number track. Maya is standing on number 143. Oh, where is Maya? See, tell me, where is Maya? Yes, this little photographer is Maya. And where is Nisha? This is Nisha. Cute little baby. Okay, Maya is standing on number 143. Where is number 143 in this number line? This is number 143 on which Maya is standing. Okay. Nisha has to jump on any 3 numbers greater than 143. Look carefully. It is saying greater than number 143. Right? Which all numbers can Nisha jump on? Okay. So the numbers which is greater than 143, how we'll find them? We will move forward from number 143 to get all the numbers greater than number 143. Yes! So, she can jump on number 138? No. 142? No, it is less than 143. 145? Of course, she can jump on number 145. And 140? No, she cannot jump on this. 144? Yes, of course, this is greater than number 143. And 148? Yes. So, these three numbers are the numbers greater than number 143 on which Nisha can jump on. Correct? Okay, let's see the next question. Nisha is standing at number 141 now. Nisha came at number 141. Maya had to jump on any three numbers less than number 141. How we will get numbers less than number 141? Tell me. Yes, we will start moving backward from number 141 to get all the numbers less than number 141. Right. Which all numbers can Maya jump on? Okay, let's see. Is 136 less than number 141? Yes, she can jump on number 136. 140? Yes, she can jump on 146. No, it is greater than number 141, right? Why? Because it is on the right hand side of number 141. That's why it is greater. Can she jump on number 138? Yes, of course. Number 143? No, it is greater. 148? No, it is also greater than number 141, right? Okay. Very good, my loves. Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll learn compare numbers up to 200. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.